Next students, your sixth question. The atomic number of an element X. Name of the element is not given. It is mentioned element X. Atomic number is given. What is that? 20. So students, you know which element has atomic number 20? Calcium. So students, every day you learn the elements from atomic number 1 to 20 in serial order. This way you learn the elements, atomic number of the elements. Okay, this way also question is asked. Name of the element will not be given. It will be mentioned as X, Y or Z and atomic number will be given. So from atomic number you have to guess which element is that. Okay. Now, the atomic number of element X is 20. Right. Your first part of the question is write its valency. Okay. So students, before going to valency, you should know what is valency. Definition. So what is valency? The number of electrons an atom lose or gain or share to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. That is called valency. And noble gases usually outermost how many electrons? 8 electrons. So all the elements try to attain 8 electrons in their outermost shell. For that, they either lose electron or gain electron or share electron. So how many electrons they lose, gain or share, that is valency. And except helium, helium is the only noble gas which has 2 electrons in its outermost shell because it has only one shell. And first shell maximum capacity is 2 and it has. Okay. So you have to find the valency. So first you will write the electronic configuration of the element. So which element? X. So electronic configuration of element X. And what is atomic number given? 20. So 20, atomic number 20 means atomic number is equal to number of protons. So number of protons also 20. Atom is neutral. So number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So electrons also 20. That 20 electrons you will distribute in different shells. That is electronic configuration. Okay. So 20 electrons, 2, 8, 8, 2. This is electronic configuration for the element X with atomic number 20. To find the valency, students, you will see outermost how many electrons? 2. And to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, what it will do? It will lose its 2 electrons. So outermost will become 8, like nearest noble gas, 2, 8, 8 is argon. Okay. So how many electrons it is losing? 2 electrons to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. So what is its valency? 2. Clear? So valency of A part. Valency of element X is 2 because it has 2 electrons in its outermost shell. So it will lose 2 electrons to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. So valency is 2. Clear? Now, next part of your question is formula of the compound formed when element X reacts with element Y of atomic number 8. Element X, students, you know atomic number is 20 and element Y atomic number is given 8. When these two elements combine, you have to write the formula of the compound. So students, you have learned how to frame the formula. You use the valency and crisscross it. Okay, here name of the element is not given. You will use X and Y and frame the formula of the compound. Clear? And before framing the formula, students, you should know the valency of each element. For that, you do the electronic configuration first of the element, then find out the valency, then crisscross it and you will get the formula. Clear? So what are the two elements X and Y? X already we have written. What is electronic configuration? Electronic configuration of X. What is atomic number? 20. So 2882. Outermost how many electron? 2. What it will do to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas? It will lose its 2 electron. So outermost become like 8, like nearest noble gas. So how many electron it is losing? 2. So what is its valency? 2. So valency of element X is equal to 2. Next, electronic configuration of Y. And for Y, what is atomic number given? 8. So what is configuration? 2, 6. Outermost how many electrons? 6. What it will do to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas? Means to attain 8 electrons in the outermost shell, it will gain 2 electrons. So 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, so it is gaining 2 electrons. So how many electron it is gaining to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas? 2. So what is its valency? 2. So valency of element Y 2. Now you got the valency of X and Y. Now you can frame the formula. Formula of compound formed when X reacts with Y. So X, Y, write the valency 2. Now after writing the valency, if it is divisible by common factor, you will divide it. So 2 ones are 2 ones are. Then you cross multiply 1. So X, Y, because 1 we don't write. So what is formula of the compound formed when X reacts with Y? XY. What is that? XY. And X is which element? Atomic number 20 means calcium, and Y, atomic number 8 means oxygen. So which compound is this? Calcium oxide, CaO. Students, calcium valency 2, oxygen valency 2. 2 ones are, 2 ones are, cross multiply. What is formula? CaO. So which compound is this? XY, calcium oxide, that you don't have to write. Because in the question, elements are mentioned as X and Y. So you will frame the formula in terms of X and Y. You will not write calcium oxide. If you write calcium oxide, half marks will be deducted. Clear? So you will read the question first, try to understand it and then answer. Clear?